Good afternoon, Mike Skelzy with Talos IoT. This is a 25-ton carrier rooftop package unit. We are installing a Talos board on it, very simple to install. We had 3 screws to hold the board in. We put in a 110 volt outlet. We now are adding the liquid line and suction line temperatures. They simply plug into the board, so we're picking up the liquid line temperature and the suction line temperature. We also pick up what all the compressors are doing. This is circuit A1, so we'll be measuring the work being done by circuit A1. This is circuit B, that'll be the air conditioning compressor on circuit B. We also pick up here the indoor fan motor, which blows the air into the building, and we're picking up the condenser fans. So from these diagnostics, the temperatures and the amps, we can tell you what the operating costs are per hour. We can tell you if you're losing refrigerant charge, losing efficiency, and or dirty air conditioning coils. So what this does is in a couple simple steps, installs in about 8 minutes, we can start to have real-time diagnostics fed to the cloud immediately. We're going to fire that up right now. Thank you.